Hello everyone, my name is Mubashir Sen and you are watching me on the YouTube channel SHEENmeem. In today's lecture, you will learn how to create FAQs in GoHighLevel. Here is the template and we will try to create this template in GoHighLevel. So first of all, we have to add FAQ element and add, yes, the styling is already added. So what I will do is copy this text and paste it here, backspace. For now, I will just copy the text. For the description, you have to click here and disable show image and paste the text here. Same for the second question. Click it on here, disable image and paste. Copy and pasting in here. Now we will create the style of this FAQs. So first of all is custom options. So when the icon closes, so icon close icon is cross, sorry, plus. So we will search for plus icon, plus, and again click on here. Icon open is cross, and you will select cross option. So the icon position is on right, so it is okay. And in the color option, title text color. So the headline is called title. So we will make it black. You can also make it gray, but I am making it black. And the content text is also black. So now what this button says, expand collapse all button text. So you have to add it in here, expand collapse button, and you can customize it is here. So for the link text, I want to make the link text a little bit gray. So let's save and see how our questions look. So it is looking all fine. You Let's add the background color. Pick from web, click on here and select the hexadecimal code and paste in here. I have already pasted it in here. So I just need to add the background for this column. Selecting background, adding it to white, and in border I will add full border and border color to transparent and border width 1 px. Sorry, my mouse is just malfunctioning. So our design is almost complete. In fact, it is totally completed, and we're just saving and preview. So our FAQs are now ready. You can see the lines are very close to each other. So going in advanced custom options and adding the line height to 2. No. So the line height works for the headings, not for the content. It was all you have already saw you what is color palette, what are paddings and margins, border and shadow. You already know all this stuff I have explained in the previous videos. If you have not watched the previous videos of my lecture, please go to my channel and see the playlist I have created for the Go High Level, and you will find each and every element explained in that course. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hope to see you again.